Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE watch unboxing and review. Today I'm going to bring you new lines of our NAVIFORCE watch, the first stainless steel automatic mechanical watch. Its model number is NFS1002. First, let's have a look at the data on the screen on the right side here. And we can see here from the box we got the guarantee card of NAVIFORCE watch, and then it's an instructions manual book. Okay, I will tell you this is a very high quality and very good and very nice box. When you buy this watch, we can provide you this very nice box to be a very nice gift box. If you want to buy the gift for your friends or for your favorite person, it's a very good choice. It's very high quality. Okay, then let's have the detailed look about this model. And we can see the design here about this watch. It's made with the whole roll design or the dial, and we can see clearly the under 6 o'clock position here, this small window. We can see the balance wheel. It's working inside, and the movement inside we can see also. And a very special design is we can see only 2 bigger hands. This is the hour, this is for the minute. And where is the second hand? Yes, it's on this small window. We can see the small window here, it's working and running so slow here. This is the second hand window. Okay, and we can see there are the bigger indices and the hands. We got the very bright luminous coatings on it. Okay, this watch we use the very high qualities of 304 stainless steel for the case, bezel, and the band. Or it's the foot stainless steel. And this is an automatic mechanical watch. When you swing in your hands every day, every second, the balance wheel is working to start it, to start the power for the watch. And here we can see the link is also very exclusive. And very nice brand logo on the buckle here. It is the solid stainless steel. Every single link is very high quality, and every process we are make it the best. And press the button, both to the side. Press this button to open the butterfly buckle. Isn't it? And also we can see the back case is transparency. We can see the balance wheel can move. This is a very simple looking here, and it's only a crown to adjust the time. Okay, this model we got 4 colors. I will show all them to you. Okay, welcome back. Here it's the 4 color here. Just now I have shown you this rose gold color. The rose gold bezels, the crown, and the links. We have the very nice colors on this watch. Okay, the next color I will show you is the black one. This black is combined with the silver case, and also the crown is black too, and some gears on the dial are made of black and silver color combined. This is the high-end series of our NAVIFORCE wristwatch. The links use 2 different kinds links to combine, and the buckle is very nice. Okay, I have put it on my wrist. Okay, how do you think this color? The next color is a gold color. Yes, we say it's a rich color because the rose color is very stylish. It's very bright. A very fashion gold. And also the link is also used the gold color combined. Put the buckle here. And the case back. Not easy to clear because the light is too bright. Okay, the last color is my favorite. About this model, we also made only one genuine leather strap for this model. And we can see here is a very high quality strap, and the straps is finished, but very soft and very good hand feeling. Look at the detail of the dial. Prestige protections on the glass, so you can see here is a buckle here, and this color is the black bezels combine the rose gold case. It's very clear, can see inside all the movements. Or others instructor. like to try this one, my favorite one. Okay, how do you think about it? This is a very high quality gift for your present if you want to buy it for as your gift to your friends or somebody. And actually, the genuine leather ones and the first one, rose gold, is the best selling so far in our stock. And also, if you want to know more detail about it, welcome to our official store to learn more about it. If you want to know other models, just let the message here. I will make the other video to you next time. Okay, this is all for today. Bye.